Hello students. So in continuation of lecture 8, today we are discussing some problems based on line integral or work done. So here I have considered a problem. If f vector is equal to 3xy I minus y square j, then evaluate integration over the curve C f vector dot dr vector, where C is the curve in xy plane. The curve is y is equal to 2x square from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2. So student, here we have to evaluate this line integration over one arc of the curve. Curve is what? This parabola from the point 0, 0 to 1, 2, and over the vector field f vector, and which is given to us as 3xy I minus y square g. So students, how we will be evaluating this line integration? So in all the examples of line integration or work done, the thing that you will be getting different is that curve C. The curve C along which you will have to find line integration. So there are many ways of giving this curve C in the numericals. So I'll be taking 3 to 4 examples in which the way of giving this curve C will be different. So we have to concentrate on what? This curve C of integration. So it may be given you in terms of Cartesian coordinates, likewise in this example. It may be given you in terms of parametric coordinates, that means x, y, z are the functions of suppose t. Or it may be given you as a line, straight line joining 2 points. This curve of integration may be ellipse also, it may be circle also. So students, in the numerical, what will be a different thing for us? A curve along which we need to find this line integration. So that curve will be given to us in different ways. So I hope the pattern of numerical will be clear to you now, and whatever the curve is given to us, we have to integrate along this curve. So here we have to integrate for this parabola y is equal to 2x squares. So see students, how we will be integrating. Always tell them what is given to you. Given thing is vector field, it is 3xy I minus y square g. Now we will be finding f vector dot dr vector first and then putting in line integration formula. So f vector dot dr vector, how we will be finding students? F vector is what? 3xy I minus y square j, and what will be dr vector students? So I'm writing here, since r vector is what? It is xi plus yj. I'm not writing zk over here because in f vector field I am having only वेक्टर करस्पॉन्डिंग टू आई एंड जे. के का कंपोनेंट ही नहीं है तो वो ऑब्वियसली 0 के हो जाएगा, और इधर भी 0 के साथ हम जब प्रोडक्ट करेंगे सो आंसर विल बी 0. सो आई एम कंसिडरिंग ओनली एक्स आई प्लस वाई जे फॉर आर वेक्टर, एंड डी आर वेक्टर विल बी वॉट? सो डी आर वेक्टर विल बी डी एक्स आई प्लस डी वाई जे. सो विल बी यूजिंग दिस फॉर पुटिंग द वैल्यू ऑफ डी आर वेक्टर स्टूडेंट्स. So here dr vector will be dxi plus dyj. So the dot product of these two vectors will be what? It is f vector dot dr vector's value a1 b1 plus a2 b2. I dot I will be 1 and j dot j will be again 1. So 3xy dx minus y square dy will be the value of f vector dot dr vector. Now students, we have to calculate what? So line integration over the curve C f vector dot dr vector. So it will be what student? It will be over the curve C 3xy dx minus y square dy. Now we will be discussing about this curve C along which we have to integrate this integration. So here our curve of integration is what students? Here C is a parabola, arc of parabola is an arc of parabola. So parabola is what? Y is equal to 2x square. So students, how we will use this condition or this parabola for doing integration? By using this Cartesian curve or this parabola, we can convert our integration either in terms of x or in terms of y variable. So we are going to solve this integration by reducing it in terms of only one single variable. So अगर मुझे x y पैरामीट्रिक कोऑर्डिनेट्स एज अ फंक्शन ऑफ t दिए होते तो ऑब्वियसली मेरा सम मैं x और y का सब्सटीट्यूशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ t करके t की लिमिट इवेल्युएट करके मैं उसे एक सिंगल वेरिएबल में कन्वर्ट करके इंटीग्रेट कर सकती थी. बट हियर मेरा क्वेश्चन में मुझे कर्व ऑफ इंटीग्रेशन इन टर्म्स ऑफ कार्टेशियन कोऑर्डिनेट दिया है. सो what I can do by using this condition, I can convert my integration either in terms of x variable or in terms of y variable, and the limits will not be a problematic thing for me because it is given to me. X की 0 to 1 है and y is from 0 to 2. So students, what I am going to do, मैं या तो x में या y में convert करती हूँ. तो I am reducing it into in terms of x. So integration f vector dot dr vector y is equal to what we are going to put x 2x square. और अगर हम y को x में reduce कर रहे हैं तो obviously dy will be also transformed in terms of dx form. So dy will be 4x dx. What will be the value of dy? It is 4x dx. Now substitute it into f vector dot dr vectors. So it is 3x. In place of y I am putting 2x square, students, and dx will remain same, and minus y square. So in place of y square I am putting 2x square whole square, and in place of dy I am putting 4x dx. So now overall integration will become what, students? It is 6x cube minus dx I am taking overall outside. It is 4x raised to 4 4x raised to 4 or into 4x and overall what, dx. So in the next step, students, it will become what, 6x cube minus 16x5 dx. Now integrate with respect to x, but for that what we need the limits of x. So here the limits of x is from 0 to 1, students. So I am going to put limit of x 0 to 1. So the integration will become what? It is 0 to 1 6x cube minus 16x5 dx. Now integrate it. So integration will be 6x4 upon 4 minus 16x6 upon 6. Limit of integration is 0 to 1. So answer will be, students, 6. It is 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. It will be 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. So once we will be solving this, we will be getting what? 6 by 4, which means 3 by 2 minus 8 by, so line integration over the curve C f vector dot dr vector. It is what? So students, it will become what? It is 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. 6 by 4 minus 16 by 6. So I can write it as 3 by 2 minus 8 by 3. So it is 6, 9 minus 16. So we will be getting minus 7 by 6. So the answer of the integration will be minus 7 by 6, students. So line integration over the curve C f vector dot dr vector is minus 7 by 6. I hope the integration part will be clear to you. It is normal calculation, students. Now taking next example. A vector field f vector is given by f vector. It is given by sin y I plus x into 1 plus cos y j. Then evaluate line integration over the circular path. Line integration over the f vector dot dr vector over the circular path is given as x square plus y square is equal to a square, and z is what? 0. So it is a circle which is lying in what? XY plane, students. So now we have to do this integration. Now students, in this numerical our path of integration is what? It's a circle. It's a circular path. That means it's a closed curve. So I have already explained you about circular paths, students. So we will be solving this integration. First of all, we have to write what is given to us. So given is f vector field, and it is what? Sin y I plus x 1 plus cos y j. This is the given vector field, students. Also I am calculating f vector dot dr vector. So here f vector dot dr vector will be, students, sin y I plus x 1 plus cos y j. This is my f vector, and dr vector will be again dxi plus dyj. So I am taking only xi, dxi and dyj, students, as here I am also having I and j. So f vector dot dr vector will be what? Sin y I dot I, so dx, and plus x 1 plus cos y dy. So this is the value of f vector dot dr vector, students. Now line integration f vector dot dr vector over the curve C. It will be what? Or since our curve of integration is closed, so I am going to use this integration sign. It is what? Sin y dx plus x cos y dy plus x dy. I have written this integration or this integrand like that, students. Sin y dx plus x cos y dy plus x dy. So why I have written it like that, I will be clearing it to you in the next step. It is f vector dot dr vector I am evaluating, and I can write this integration as, I have to solve this integration, students. For what? Curve of integration is this circle which is lying in xy plane. So along this whole circle, that means if I'll delineate you, so this whole circle I am evaluating it, students, and for this whole circle, for you are evaluating line integration. That means this arc, integration over this arc. So here your integration will be evaluated. I am going to convert, or I am going to evaluate this integration by using or by transforming these Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates. Or if I will be transforming this Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates, then I will be using some substitutions here. X is equal to r cos theta and y is equal to r sin theta. Here our radius of circle is what? A. So I am using x is equal to a cos theta and y is equal to a sin theta. So students, here theta will be varying from what? It is, since we are taking complete circle, so theta will vary from 0 to 2 pi, and radius is what? A. So students, see the solution. First of all, I am writing this integration in terms of what? See, I can do one more thing here. Since it is sin y dx plus x cos y dy, so I can write this part of the integration as, see very carefully students, d of x sin y, because differentiation and integration, they are opposite to each other. So d and integration sign will be cancelled, and the integration of this part, I am highlighting this part here, integration of this part is solved, and it is what? Its answer will be x sin y, because first differentiation of second plus second differentiation of first. So if I am taking x as first function, so x into differentiation of sin y will be cos y dy, plus sin y remains same, into differentiation of x will be dx. So d of x sin y, d of uv rule से I can write, so अगर इसका differentiation ये होगा तो इसके opposite I can write it as d of x sin y, and plus rest of the thing it is x dy. So for that I am separating the integration, plus integration over the curve C x dy. So students, this integration is solved. Its answer will be what? X sin y only, and this integration is integration over the closed curve C x dy. Now this C is what? Now I will be discussing about this C, students. I am giving this step as what? A. So since C is a circle along which we have to do the integration, so circle is x square plus y square is equal to a square. So we use what? We can put x is equal to, evaluation of this integration will be done by transferring it in Cartesian coordinates into polar coordinates. So substitution for x will be a cos theta, because radius कितना है सर्कल का? a, and y is equal to what? a sin theta, and dx we don't need actually dx, क्योंकि x dy we have to evaluate, but still I am writing here dx is minus a sin theta d theta, and dy will be what? dy will be used here. dy is a cos theta d theta, and also students theta will vary from, theta varies from what? 0 to 2 pi, because along complete arc of the circle we have to do this integration. So theta will vary from what? 0 to 2 pi. So I am going to use this substitution for evaluating this in this integration. So first part is already evaluated, only we have to put the limit. So integration over the closed curve C f vector dot dr vector, students. So in terms in x sin y, it is evaluated already. I have to put the limits only over the curve C. I am writing here right now. Once I will convert it into polar coordinates, then I will put the limit, and plus integral over the closed curve C, and the rest part is what? X dy. Now students, I am substituting it into polar coordinates. So see the right hand side. X I am putting as a cos theta. Sin remains same. Y I am putting as a sin theta. And the limit of integration, and that means theta is 0 to 2 pi. Similarly, plus integration over the closed curve C x I am putting as a cos theta. And dy is what, students? dy was a cos theta again. So dy is again what? A cos theta and d theta, students. So integration will become what? I am writing it into the next step, 0 to 2 pi. Once you will be putting in place of theta, this integration is already solved. We have to substitute only limit, students. But this integration is pending for the calculation. So I am putting theta 2 pi upper limit in place of theta. So a cos 2 pi sin a sin 2 pi. So sin 2 pi is what, students? Since all terms are in terms of product, all functions. So sin cos 2 pi is what? 1, because cos n pi, since cos n pi is what, students? It is minus 1 to the power n. And sin n pi is what, students? It is what? 0. So sin 2 pi will be 0. If it will be 0, sin, then it will become theta kitna ban gaya? 0, and sin 0 is what? Again 0. So whole whole answer will become what? 0 for upper limit 2 pi. This I have evaluated for upper limit 2 pi minus substituting lower limit 0 in place of theta. So cos 0 will become 1, but sin theta, and again in the inside of this theta sin 0. So sin 0 will 0, again sin 0 will 0. So whole lower limit will become what? 0. So this is the calculation of this part only, students. Plus this integration is left now. It will become what? 0 to 2 pi a square cos square theta d theta, students. It will become what? 0 to 2 pi a square cos square theta d theta. So this whole integration will become 0. Whole limit will become 0. So I am writing 0 plus a square I am taking outside, 0 to 2 pi cos square theta d theta. So we have got this thing, students. Now here 0 to 2 pi cos square theta d theta, I can calculate this by using reduction formula, or I can convert this into cos 2 theta's formula. By both the method I can solve this integration. Suppose I am using reduction formula for solution of this integration. So reduction formula is what? 0 to pi by 2 cos n theta d theta. So it will be, I am writing last form, it is n minus 1 upon n into pi by 2. लास्ट फॉर्म लिखा है मैंने. ये पूरा फॉर्मूला बहुत एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म में, इट इज़ नॉट द एक्सपेंडेड फॉर्म ऑफ द फुल फॉर्मूला. आई हैव रिटन जस्ट ओनली द लास्ट स्टेप बिकॉज हियर इट इज n is what? 2. So it will become 2 minus 1 upon 2, 1 by 2 dot pi by 2. So answer, but here limit of integration is 0 to 2 pi, and in the reduction formula it is 0 to pi by 2. So for converting or reducing it into 0 to pi by 2, we will be multiplying it by 4. Now I am writing it as 0 to pi by 2 cos square theta d theta. You have already studied reduction formula during M2, students. So it is a square into 4 into, now I am putting formula, it is n minus 1 upon n. Remember one thing, this is not the whole formula. I have written only the last terms of the formula because n मेरा कितना है? 2 है, तो सिर्फ last 2 terms apply हो रहे हैं. So 2 minus 1 upon 2, so it is 1 upon 2 dot pi by 2. So the calculation will be 2 and 2 to the 4 will be cancelled. So answer of the integration is what? Pi a square, students. It is cancelled. 2 to the 4 से cancel हुआ. Answer of the integration will be pi a square only. So I hope the calculation will be clear to you, students. Again, if you don't remember the reduction formula, you can convert cos square theta in terms of cos 2 theta formula, and you can evaluate the